Alright, picture this. You're rolling down the highway, sun dropping low, people doing double takes. Guess what you're driving isn't just a motorhome. It's a straight-up Cadillac mansion on wheels. I'm talking luxury, swagger, and road presence all mashed into one beast. Okay, welcome back to our channel, and today we're diving deep into the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. A rig that doesn't just travel, it flexes. Right from the jump, the exterior tells you this thing means business. Cadillac didn't come to play here. You've got that bold, unmistakable Cadillac front fascia, sharp LED lighting that looks futuristic as heck, and a massive grille that screams premium from a mile away. The body lines are smooth but aggressive, like a luxury SUV that hit the gym and bulked up. The paint options are straight fire too. Deep metallic blacks, pearl whites, and those classy silver tones that look expensive even when it's dusty. The wheels are huge, polished alloys that give it that planted boss-level stance, and the overall length and height just command respect on the road. This isn't something you sneak around in, this is something you arrive in. Walking around it, you notice how clean everything is. Flush-mounted storage compartments, power steps that glide out like magic, and big panoramic windows that hint at how wild the inside is gonna be. Even parked, this motorhome looks like it's ready to roll cross-country without breaking a sweat. Now, let's step inside, because this is where Cadillac really starts cooking. The cockpit alone feels like a luxury sedan on steroids. You've got premium leather seats with heating, cooling, and enough adjustments to dial in your perfect driving position. The dashboard is fully digital, crisp displays everywhere, and a massive infotainment screen that controls navigation, media, cameras, and pretty much the whole rig. Everything is wrapped in soft-touch materials, real wood accents, brushed metal trims, and ambient lighting that makes nighttime driving feel chill instead of stressful. The steering wheel feels solid and upscale, with Cadillac branding front and center, and the visibility is surprisingly good for something this big. With all the cameras and drive assist tech, maneuvering this beast feels way less intimidating than you'd expect. Moving back into the living area, it's strut up. Luxury lounge vibes. You've got plush seating that actually feels like a high-end living room couch, not some flimsy RV setup. The materials are top-tier stitched leather, suede-like finishes, and smart lighting that you can adjust depending on your mood. Whether you're parked at a campsite or chilling at a rest stop, this space just feels calm and premium. The kitchen area is clean, modern, and super functional. You're looking at solid countertops, high-end appliances, induction cooktop, microwave, fridge, and tons of storage that's actually usable. Cabinets feel sturdy, not cheap or rattly, and everything has that soft, close action that just feels satisfying every time. It's the kind of setup where you'd actually want to cook instead of just ordering takeout every night. Head toward the bedroom area, and yeah, Cadillac didn't cheap out here either. The bed is legit comfortable, with a proper mattress, not some thin foam pad. You've got storage all around, overhead cabinets, side drawers, and even closet space for longer trips. Big windows let in natural light during the day and at night. The blackout shades and ambient lighting turn it into a cozy little sanctuary. This is the kind of bedroom where you wake up refreshed instead of sore. Now, let's talk performance. Because this thing isn't just about looking pretty under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome packs serious muscle. Depending on the configuration, you're getting a powerful V8 or a turbocharged setup that delivers smooth, confident acceleration. No drama, no struggling up hills, just steady power when you need it. The transmission is buttery smooth, and The ride quality is honestly impressive for a rig this size. Cadillac's suspension tuning really shines here. It soaks up bumps, keeps things stable on the highway, and makes long drives way less tiring. Add in advanced drive assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and automatic braking. And you've got a motorhome that feels modern, safe, and surprisingly easy to live with. Fuel economy isn't gonna win any eco awards, let's be real. But for a luxury motorhome of this size and weight, it's pretty reasonable. Plus, if you're buying something like this, you're clearly more about comfort and experience than pinching pennies at the pump. Now, let's get to the money talk. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome definitely sits in the premium price bracket. Starting, prices are expected to land north of the standard luxury motorhome market, and once you start adding options, custom interiors, and tech packages, yeah, this thing can climb fast. But here's the deal. You're not just paying for a motorhome, you're paying for the Cadillac name, the craftsmanship, the comfort, and that unmatched road presence. For folks who want a rolling luxury apartment that turns heads everywhere, it goes, the price starts to make sense. This isn't for everyone, but for the right buyer, it's worth every dime. So wrapping this up, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is bold, luxurious, and unapologetically premium. It blends classic Cadillac elegance with modern motorhome practicality, delivering a travel experience that feels first class from start to finish. If you're into road trips but refuse to give up luxury, this thing might just be your dream rig. If you enjoyed this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe to Saint Review's Hub for more insane vehicle breakdowns, and drop a comment letting me know what you think about this Cadillac on wheels. Until next time, drive safe and keep it rolling.